everyone, welcome back to our channel. And today we're going to see the other half of the alphabet that we have left. We have about 12 letters left. So you recognize this letter. Here we have letter O. So to make an O, we just have to make a circle. One big circle for capital O. And for the small o, we just do a small circle. And then we have the O. Wonderful. Super easy, right? Okay, let's jump to the other one. Then we have letter P. For P, we make one big line and then one big bump. Wonderful. For the small P, we have to do one long line and one small bump. And there you go. We have the P. For Q, it's just like a circle and a stick. So we're going to do it like that. Here we have our circle. And then we're going to have a stick. And we have our capital Q. For our small q, we're going to do first the stick, a long stick, and a little bump, bump. And there we go. We have the letter Q. For the letter R, don't worry, it looks a little bit hard, but it's not. Believe me. So first we're going to do one, and then you're going to do a little bump. Two. Oh, we finished our little bump. Now we're going to add one more line. Here. Three. Easy peasy, right? For the small r, we just go one line and a small half a bump. Ooh, we reached the S. This S looks like a snake. It is really easy to do. Don't worry. So we are going to start with here. Don't put your pencil out of the paper, okay? Keep your pencil down and trace like if you were doing a little snake. Just looks like a snake, right? Same with the small S. You trace it like if it was a snake. Okay, wonderful. Next we have T. For T, we're going to do first one stick, and then we're going to do one stick at the top. And we are going to connect them, okay? We have to connect them, so it's very easy to do. You can do it this way, or you can do it this way. For the small t, the same way, but the little stick goes in the middle. You see? In the middle. Very easy. We reach U, but not you, not me, this U. Okay, for U, we're gonna make just one trace. One. We can do it one more time. From here, we do one trace. It looks like a happy face. One trace, and then a little line. You have the short or the small U. For V, that I love this letter, let me tell you. V is really easy. We're gonna go one and two. So just two traces. For the small v, the same way. One and two. There you got it. You got the V. You are doing great. We are almost done with the alphabet. We have the W. Ooh, this one looks a little bit hard, but don't you worry, just follow the trace. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. We do the same thing for the small W. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's just smaller. We go to the X, and X is really easy. You take one stick, and then you put the other stick like this. And we have the X, capital X. For the small x, we do the same thing. You can either do it this way or this way. Either way, it's good. For the Y, we're gonna do a little V and then connect it with a little stick. Wonderful. And for the small Y, we do another V and we connect it. And then we have a Y. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as they say. And our last letter of the alphabet is the Z. Z is just like S, but a little different. I think it's really easy. We just follow the trace. 1, 2, 3. 3 traces. Wonderful, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. And there you go. The whole entire alphabet. I hope this video helped, and if you have any questions, make sure to drop a comment, a like, and a subscribe into our page. And I hope to see you in the other video. Vitamin Teacher out. See you next time.